we have some great things planned this year. Demonstrations by chefs, master gardeners, on hand to answer questions about plants in your backyard. And some of the markets, we now accept SNAP and WIC benefit program vouchers, so make sure you check on that as well.
This is a location where there are a lot of people living, and we just didn't have a market close by. I mean, the closest market was probably 20 minutes away. So we've got apartment complexes all around here. And then it's also very convenient for all the government center employees to come out and grab some fresh produce right at the end of the day and get home and cook up something fresh. Starting in July, we're going to have a concert series in sync with the market. So you can come over, grab some things from the market, have a little picnic, and then head over to the government center and watch the concerts. So we have a lot of produce vendors. We will have an orchard that'll have apples and peaches. We also have empanadas, fresh bread. We have some ready-made foods like quiche.
Local food boosts the local economy. Shopping local goes a long way to support small family farmers in our region. If each resident of Virginia spends just $10 a week on locally produced food, it would boost the state's economy by $1.5 billion a year. $1.5 billion a year just for $10 a week per family.
Virginia has been very strong for agriculture for many years, going all the way back to the founding of this country. And it seems to be like if you're a Virginian, going to the farmer's market is definitely something you do. It's part of life in Virginia. When you purchase something from any farmer's market or anybody who's local, pretty good chance it was harvested within a week. All our produce here was harvested this morning or yesterday afternoon. So it hasn't even been 24 hours since it was harvested. So when you take it home, it's going to last you longer.